Hey guys, Tyler here. Today I'm just making a quick video on the Mahogany table construction method in old school RuneScape. It's going to cost a lot of money, but gets insane experience per hour at around 700k per hour when done most efficiently. Now you're going to want a dining room installed in your player-owned house with a bell pull preferably, and also a servant's money bag so that you can put a mill in there or whatever and don't have to worry about paying the servant yourself. And then also get a demon butler. Now, you may not know this, but with the bell pull, you can actually go to your house tab here and just hit call servant and it'll bring him to you. Then you're going to want to send them to the bank and just get 26 mahogany planks. All you need in your inventory is the hammer and saw. Now, if you have a Razer mouse or something like that with buttons on the side, that could be helpful, but it's not necessary. Regular keyboard will be able to get just as much XP and work just fine. Now, to do this, you actually need to use your client in the expanded size like this. You cannot do it in fixed size. And then you want to stretch it long ways so that you have a little bit of a gap here between your report and your inventory features over there. Then stand to the top of your dining room table like this and put the camera all the way down, like that, all the way down, and then facing your character. And all you have to do from here is place your mouse cursor right between the report and inventory features, and as soon as you right click, you'll actually see that you're already over build. So you can right click and then immediately left click to build, and then hit 6 on the keyboard to build a mahogany table, right click, left click again, and remove, and hit 1 to remove it. And then you just keep doing that over and over. Right click, left click 6, right click, left click 1, blah blah blah. Do that. You can get really quick at it, and yeah, then you'll just fly through it. And once you start working with ticks and everything, it can get very quick. And then talk to your butler to get more planks, and I'll tell you real quick how to efficiently get the planks from your butler. So basically, he's gonna come back, and it only takes him a couple seconds. There he is. He has 22 planks left. So since it takes 6 planks to build a table, the highest multiple above 22 will be 24. That's 4 tables. So you're going to want to remove and build 4 more tables before you talk to him, and then send them back to the bank. So if he said he had 12, that would just be 2 tables even, etc. Just quick math, easy in your head. So yeah, I'll just go real quick and show you what it looks like to get in the groove and work with the ticks. Basically, the gist of it is, as soon as you remove the table, instantly right click, left click to build again, like boom, and that brings up this menu a little bit faster than if you didn't do that. And same with when you build and then immediately remove it. So boom. Oh, I missed, but see, it brings it up a lot quicker. And once you get into the groove of it going very quick, you can get up to 700k per hour, maybe a little bit more. It just depends. So I'm going to go through, I bought some planks here just to show you what it looks like and how quick it gets. So yeah, I'll do that real quick and try not to be a potato about it. Alrighty. And that's all the planks I just used up. 120 there total. So I kind of was a potato there, but as you could see, at some parts it was going pretty fast, and once you just get in the groove and you start going back to back really fast, it goes quick. So that's it. That's all there is to the guide. Keep doing that in a couple of hours. You'll be at 80 through construction, or do it all the way to 99 if you've got a fuck ton of money. So I hope you enjoyed this guide. Leave a like and a comment, if you did, anything you want to see next or me to improve on. And I'm going to be making more RS content like this and other things in the future. So if you want to, stay tuned, then subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.